quick little unboxing. We got some goodies for the trailer. What? No. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. That's hard. We got some straps. What do you think about the new setup?
Oh, you got more straps?
Yeah, these are OGs. We can use these. I'm gonna keep them in the box and lock it up.
Oh, what did OG?
Yeah, tire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
and then
you just put this around the tire.
And then we got these.
Oh, okay.
And then we got this one.
Oh, so you just run it through here?
Yep.
And then into there?
Yep.
Oh,
and then we got these.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So it's about to be good. And these glow in the dark.
You just need to cut the straps.
I mean, I ain't gonna keep them on now or whatever. I'm gonna wait until we use them.
Oh, just put them in.
Yeah. Prime day came in clutch, guys. So far, so good. I dig it. I like the quality too. These ones come in handy, especially towing or anything.
straight out.
What year is this?
76.
Got you. 76 what?
This actually fell off the other day. I was surprised. 75. It's the model is 75/6. When I was redoing the wiring harness, because up here is where that wire went to come bad. So
what gas it take?
I usually put good gas in it.
I got you.
It's better to use non-ethanol if you can.
Don't got no heart, I got an icebox. Brand new roller, swipe out the G-Shock. Moving slowly, I know the street hype. No more double, go ahead of detox. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Thugging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch a buzz. Get the cash and take my family out the hood, that's a must. Was a hood baby with no soldiers. Bad past never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've died, that's why it's hard to stay sober. Glad to see the sun, but my heart getting colder. Life's so crazy, what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Told my mama no more tears, no more tissue. Ooh, just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Pull up in that rain, see me ballin', yeah. 30 feet on my wrist like I'm Harden. Either they love me or I'm a target. Cause the ice on me is flawless. I've been busy and picking up when you callin'. And on purpose, I hate the fact we ain't talking. But anything that you need, dog, I got you, I mean that. All this pressure make it hard not to relapse. Build up aggression, make it hard for me to relax. To the hood, baby, ain't no way that I'ma lead that. My dogs need hope, step it up, I gotta be that. Cause life's so crazy, oh, it been through. I'ma love you way before I gotta miss you. Hold this mama by my side, gave her some tissue. We were just a hood, baby, with some issues. Hood, baby, from the struggle.